Good morning! All packed and ready to go. We have to go over the mountain there. Nice start. So off we go. My poor toes are completely bandaged in. So they should do another 8 kilometers and then they can rest. Oh, it's so beautiful in the morning sun. Just can't get enough.
Chairs are on the table. The floor has been swept. It's closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I've slept. But things are moving forward. I'm ready to move on. Heading for a brand new start at the break of dawn. Here I come, you better watch out, you better beware, the rumor is out. Nothing can stop me, I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold. Here I come, you better watch out, you better beware, the rumor is out. Nothing can stop me, I'm going for
Nearly
gold.
up.
I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold.
Oh boy, another one. Ha!
Tomorrow's getting closer. Yesterday is gone. A destination nowhere. I travel on my own. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing
Oh, this is so nice. After all the stones. Ah, a feast. At least you can make a little speed. Back to rocks. Going down. And then I think we have to walk a road. But I can see a mast. So, and a lot of masts there. So there must be a shipyard here. On the road. And a trailhead. Whoa, we're going quick. Bozburun 3 kilometers. Wow, there's 2. 3. Whoa. They're beautiful.
Here I come, you better watch out, you better beware, the rumor is out, nothing can stop me, I'm going for gold, I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold.
Wow. Boat. Wow. A man just told me that here it's only for repairs, maintenance, not the new ones. But wow, it's so big. Wow, they're huge. and one inside. And off the road we are again. Nice. Road walking is tiring. Funny enough. Time for a break. Yeah, we'll be fine. I have the same cheese as this thick. Woo! Oh wow. Nice.
I was lost or I was found.
Look! In between the houses. Crazy! Awful! Ugly and crazy. But now it's finished. There's houses everywhere now. That's why they made the path through it. Okay.
Nothing ever in between. Shedding
Bozburun.
tears or extremely happy. Got no one to stick around. Once
Nice
my
living here.
heart was in
Wow.
pieces. I told myself that was what I needed. The more I felt drowning in doubt.
We are slowly reaching the end. And then we go back to the car. Find somebody that can bring us. Because a minibus, not an option. And then we hope to be back soon to continue. And if not, then it will be spring. But boy, Carian Trail, thumbs up.